Gordon Ramsay hates microwave messes, let me tell you why. Food explosions in your microwave? It's not just you, it's physics. I'm spilling the tea on how to keep it clean. Stick around. Imagine, no more scrubbing burnt food from your microwave ceiling. More free time, less cleaning. Who doesn't want that, bestie? I'm about to drop the easiest kitchen hack ever. Stay tuned. Introducing the Microwave Splash Cover Game Changer FRFR. It makes your microwave mess-free by preventing splatters. Reusable? Yup. Airtight? Double yup. Heat-resistant? Triple yup. Keeps your food fresh and your microwave sparkling clean. Fits most microwaves, so you good no matter what, fam. Essential kitchen accessory? More like essential survival tool. Stop scrubbing, start living. Link in bio, don't miss out.